So what are black holes? If you want to really understand, then first you have to go to the basics. See, as I tell you, my classes, I always want you people to start from basics. Don't start directly from advanced. The idea is this. You all know that if you throw something like this, it reaches some maximum height and then it comes back. Agree or not? If you throw something like this, it goes up and then comes back. But if you throw faster, it will go higher. That also you agree. If you throw faster, it will go higher. Then theoretically you can calculate. And good thing about whatever I'm saying is, in first PU, matlab this year only, when I will teach you gravitation chapter, we will actually calculate how much speed I should give this marker so that it goes so far that now the gravity of Earth will not be able to bring it back. Okay, that speed is called escape velocity or escape speed. Now, there are regions where the gravity is so strong. The gravity is so strong that even if light tries to escape, if light tries to, suppose from the sun, light comes like this and it wants to go back. But the gravity of this region is so strong that even light cannot go. Now, even light cannot go. Why I'm saying, sir? Because light's speed is maximum 3 into 10 power 8. So this is the maximum speed any object can have. So if light itself is not able to go back, matlab the escape speed of this region is more than speed of light, matlab even light will not be able to escape. Now the question is, if light cannot escape, do you think other things will be able to escape? So imagine somehow Akshay is here. Suppose Akshay wants to throw one stone with very high velocity. Will he be able to escape? No. Why? Because nothing can travel faster than light. Nothing can travel faster than light. So this region is what we call black holes.